books and I'm hungry. No, this is a joke. But I'm gonna tell you my story. One day in 18,020, I was with my dogs in the Maple Street. Then I was struck by lightning. In a million years later, in 2013, I wake up and see that I'm in a hospital, that I have a lot of fur. Then I go running to my house to see my family, but obviously, who can survive 1 million years? I don't know. Well, I don't know what I was thinking that time, but I go to my house, see that I have a lot of fur. I wasn't hurt, so that was very rare. Because if you have like a lot of hair in your body, who doesn't gonna feel hot? Then all was I thinking, meat, delicious meat. Then a person was walking, then I ate him. It was delicious. Then I was talking 8 people until 1 year. Then I was full. I was full of persons. So it doesn't matter. You want some pieces?
Yes.